My name is Rodney Stoutinger. I am the owner of Garden 17.
My name is Jake. I'm the Director of Marketing and Technology for Garden 17 and Rodney Lee Brands.
Garden 17 is a retail garden center in Austin, Texas. We cater to the idea of connecting the community into nature. We're really focused on educating our customers. Having opened in June of 2020, peak pandemic, remote learning was a must for us.
We knew that we had a large portion of our community and our audience that didn't feel safe coming into the store yet. I was sort of thinking back on my past experience on how to sort of make this work with what I knew was available. And I was thinking all these cables I'd have to run, and I have to have a dedicated computer, and I gotta train someone how to use some sort of complicated software, and there's gonna be the setup and the teardown. It felt very daunting. The way we started with Mevo is I sold the 3-pack.
I think the multi-pack is what convinced me as the business owner that it was going to work.
Starting to use the Mevo system. My initial reaction was relief. Oh my gosh, this works.
The use of the iPad as the command center, the control center, made it super simple for us.
I can remember being upstairs working with these 3 cameras and just boom, 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 changing the camera angles and going, oh my God, this is so simple, this is so easy.
We're not kind of rigging things together to make it work. I think Mevo made that very easy, and especially us being a garden center, you can't take big desktops around with you, right? So we are very accustomed to being mobile.
The Mevo cameras are wireless and they have a great battery life. It allows us to set up a studio anywhere on campus.
Today we are going to talk about purslane. Purslane is a drought-tolerant, great alternative annual for full sun, big, large blooms. It was easy and almost natural, I guess, to put into our workflow.
Being able to take that whole setup just anywhere and not have to run wires and not have to do all the little things that you typically would have to do to set up a studio is awesome.